Hey guys, it's Aidan with Caven Bradner Realty Group. Behind me is a custom build by Superior Custom Homes, and we are going to take you on a tour today. So we're going to go through this whole house. As always, just want to show you guys what's going on here in the Treasure Valley. This one obviously $3 million, probably not in everyone's price range, including ours, but do just want to show you anyways, because Superior Custom Homes is constantly building beautiful homes in the valley. We've been working with them since probably spring of last year when they had a parade home in Eagle, Idaho. So just want to show you what it looks like before the homeowners do move in. So this is definitely still in the blue tape phase. So you're going to see a lot of blue tape, and you're going to see a lot of things that aren't quite finished yet. But for the most part, the finishes are done. Everything is kind of started to be put in place, and so still want to walk you guys through it just in case we don't get an opportunity once the homeowners are moved in. Just want to tell you guys too, like kind of where we are. So this behind me is actually a massive cornfield, and so I actually posted a video last, probably beginning of the summer when the corn was all still here, and kind of looked like the interstellar cornfield chase, if you're familiar with that song and that part of the movie. So I'll post a video of what that looked like as well, just because it's pretty different when all the corn is there. But anyways, I'll stop talking and let's go take a tour. right, guys, so there is the full tour. I did actually leave out one thing right here. There's some garages, many of them. So we didn't get to that side of the house, but there it is. Again, I'm Aidan with the Caven Bradner Realty Group. We help people buy, sell, and build here in Idaho. If you're interested in learning more about Superior Custom Homes, or just want to talk about buying, selling, or building in general, please reach out anytime. You can find our link in the description to set something up on our calendar. We would love to meet you and talk about how we can be of any help. So thanks for touring this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.